I've tried plenty of things, like different things as far as training is concerned, and as bowling, you know that a lot of back rotation is involved in it, and Pilates specifically, I used it just to align that, align my back nicely, and work more on the core and recovery side of it. So along with my strength and conditioning and the skill work which I was doing on the ground, I was adding it with Pilates as a added just to focus on posture correction and recovery.
Well, first of all, I've done Pilates before, but my experience with Yasmin has been very, very special. I think she's someone who's extremely dedicated towards each and every client, and Pilates especially has helped me, for example, in my posture. I'm a tall person, and I've always sort of stooped a bit, and I don't really, stand up straight. So the first thing she told me was she gave me one little, dhap on the back and said, like, stand up. And I was like, okay. Well, back, head, arm, pinch, shoulder, all that. Let's not get into the specifics of it. But no, it really does. I think what it does, I think Yasmin's a better person to talk about specifically how it works on the muscles, but it definitely elongates muscles. It gives you a better posture. It gives you more, core strength. And these are things I've noticed. And it's not like a workout where, because I've always been working out, but it's not as, a lot of people think it's not as intense as weight training. But I think the effects are much longer and they're more visible.
Well,
So,
I
yeah.
started training at Body Image with Yasmin when I was in college, even before I did my first film. And I was preparing to become an actor. And at that time, we did everything. We did gym, Pilates, a mix of both. But once I've always been a very slim person. But Yasmin actually helped me to develop myself. I think there are all kinds of people and all different type of bodies. You have people who try to lose a lot of weight, and then you have those who are always slim, but you want to look proper. You want your shoulders to be formed, well. You want to feel fit, look toned. And that's what she helped me do. So I know that if I ever have to change my body for a particular role, then I'm in the best hands.
So yeah, starting this gym in South Bombay with Fitocratic as my partners, as the ones who are going to run the show is very, very exciting because I've wanted to expand, but I think I'm ready now. I mean, it's taken me so many years to, really be ready. And I'm also launching my YouTube channel today. It goes on air, the promo's on air, and for all those, who write to me on different social media platforms saying, do you only train celebs, and what about a common person? And it's a free subscription for everyone, and they actually get to train with me wherever they are. I'm also on Active Fitness, Tata Sky. There's a channel on fitness by Sunil Shetty, which has different instructors giving workouts. So yeah, I'm on that. So I think I have my plate full right now. I'll stop here and make this work really well before I think of anything else.